I'm leading a 1 hour workshop for our clients to get laser focused on their right next thing and create a 6 week game plan. I'd like to invite you as my guest to join us. And you may have heard the adage Benjamin Franklin said, if you fail to plan, what? You're planning to fail. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to get clarity on where you're going in the next direction. We're going to celebrate the things that you've done successfully and what you've learned. And then second, we're going to go ahead and find the obstacles that are keeping you from getting to where you really want to be. We'll get clarity on that. And we'll use the Dental One Thing system to know what one or maybe two projects that we'll accomplish in the next 6 weeks to be able to get you to where you want to go. And finally, we'll create that 6 week game plan together so you have a clear path of the right strategies and steps that you'll need to take to achieve what you want to achieve. I look forward to you being there.